Good day, everyone. I am Rochelle Redoblado, a future educator, currently pursuing a degree in Bachelor of Elementary Education. Today, I am excited to present my demonstration about the two influential thinkers who shaped the way we understand human development, which is Sigmund Freud and Jean Piaget. Sigmund Freud, an Austrian neurologist and the father of psychoanalysis, born in 1856, he was one of the first thinkers to explore how unconscious thoughts and childhood experiences shape people. Sigmund Freud also died on September 23, 1939. He passed away in London at the age of 83 after suffering from cancer of the tube for many years. What did he do? Sigmund Freud invented psychoanalysis, a new way to understand and treat mental illness by exploring the unconscious mind, opening the door to dream interpretation, saying that our dreams reveal our hidden desires and fears. Why is Freud important? Freud important because he changed the way we think about human behavior and emotions. He showed that mental health matters and that talking can be healing. He was led the groundwork for modern psychology and psychotherapy. He believed that the mind is divided into three parts, which is id, ego, and superego. Ang id mao ni ang pinakauna nga parte sa atong kaugalingon gikan pa gid ni pagkatawo. Kini ang bahin nga gusto lang pirmi og kalipay, like kung gigutom ta, gusto dayon ta mukaon, kung naay gusto ato dayon tumanon. Bisan walay paghunahuna kung sakto ba or dili. Murag bata nga gusto dayon mahatagan og dula o pagkaon bisan busy ang ginikanan. Ang ikaduha ay ang ego. Ang ego mao ni ang tunga-tunga nga parte, mao ni ang pagkontrol sa id ug superego. Kini ang rasyonal o maayong paghunahuna. Ang iyang trabaho mao ang pagpangita og paagi nga makaput ang gusto sa ed pero in a good way, nga dili makasala o makadaot. For example, kung gigutom ta, dili ta magkuha og pagkaon nga dili ato. Ikabalo ta nga sayop, mangita ta og paagi nga matarong sama sa pagpangayo og kwarta o pagpangayo sa balay. Superego is the moral conscience influenced by parents and society developments around age 5 years old. Jean Piaget was a Swiss developmental psychologist and epistemologist who focused on how children acquire knowledge, and was born on August 9, 1896 in a small city in Switzerland. From a young age, he was very curious and loved studying nature, especially animals and shells. Jean Piaget passed away on September 16, 1980 in Geneva, Switzerland. He lived to be 84 years old and left behind a powerful legacy in psychology and education. Piaget's four-stage model of how thinking develops. We have a sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, and formal operational. Sensory motor stage is a children using eyes, hands, mouth, ears, touching and saying things. Pre-operational stage or early childhood. Child start using words and picture to think and talk. They image things and play pretend. Concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. This age is called age. Third is concrete operational stage. Child starts to think logically but only about real things. They can understand numbers, size, and cause effect in the real situation. Fourth is formal operational stage. Now the child can think deeply and imagine future. They understand ideas like justice, freedom,